Bereal, how to see who screenshotted your posts. Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to see who screenshotted your posts on Bereal. First of all, you click on the app, after which you'll be led to your friend's profile. As you can see, under my post there's a number 1 attached in a bracket. That is to show that it has been screenshotted by one person. You click on the photo. As you can see that it only shows that it has one screenshot, but it doesn't reveal the person who screenshotted it. How do you reveal? You tap on the one screenshot, then you share in order to reveal. You can share via Snapchat, Instagram, messages, Twitter, mail, and the rest. Here I want to share via WhatsApp. So you click on the WhatsApp icon and then share. After sharing, the person who screenshotted the reel will then be reviewed.